हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जय जगन्नाथ। केमती अच्छे आपण मैंने आशा कर समस्ते भल थे। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज गोटे ब्यूटीफुल मैम को मीट कर अच्छी से मैडम होती आम बॉलीवुड आगधाड़ी नायिका और सी होती रवीना टंडन मैम। तो मुझे बहुत एक्साइटेड मीट करने ऑलरेडी 5 PM हो गला। तो चलते रेडी हम आमर 6:30 से पहुँचार अच्छी। तो चलते रेडी हम आठ कौन सब कली आप भिडियो मध्यम देखेबी। चलतु हाँ, मो वीडियो को लास्ट पर्यंत देखिए और प्लीज़ मो चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करदे। तो बर्तमान बहुत लेट हो गलानी। चलते आम रेडी हाँ, रेडी होगी देखा मतलब कमेंट सेक्शन में कह। चल तो फ्रेंड्स, बर्तमान देखिए मो फेस बिना मेकअप। तो चलतु रेडी हाँ, रेडी होकर बाहर जो आज स्पेशल देखा अच्छी। चल तो यहाँ हूँ मोर अधा मेकअप मैंने मेकअप जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आपको देखिपारे फुल मेकअप। जदि मो लुकटा आप भल लगे तो मैं कमेंट सेक्शन में निश्चित भाव में कहूँ मुझे केमती देखा। तो बर्तमान मुझे रेडी जावाई। तो ता सांगे समस्ते बाहर जाइचु जावाई। फनी मस्ती तार चलती मजा मस्ती। मन पड़े आम कौन जाचे
मामा बबन तो लिटू लाल कौन
हम जाऊँ भुवनेश्वर बुलिया वर्षा जो रास्ता केमती माने पागटा भी पूरा मेघुआ मेघुआ पाग। तो फाइनाली आम भाउजों घर पहुँचीगलु जी कि आम बहुत क्लोज और पु मो पु टू ब्रदर परी। मुझे कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स पीदेली। जुआड़े जाए कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स को आगे धरे दिनेश पसंद कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स। तो ये रेसिपी भी टे तैयारी देली मुझे भी मो पसंद कैटेगोरी किसी आमर कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स पिया कार्यक्रम सरीगला। अपेक्षा भाज केत आसे आम रेडी हो समस्त बाहर की जीवु। ये मुझे वीडियो किसी फोटो ए सब उठेदेली जुआड़े गले सब तो आगे आपने जानते कैमेरा सामने देखिए सही फोटो उठो। तो ये देखो मो फोटो मुझे खेलुची पूरा मजा मस्ती चली मुझे पलि आस तार संभाल पड़े तार ये मन मन खेल बुला तार पूरा चलती मैंने भाउजों सागर मुझे फोटो उठे। आम ये समस्ते बाहरी गलु होटेल स्पेशल गेस्ट रवीना टंडन मैम। ये समस्त आम बाहर गलु आम बर्तमान ताज होटेल भर पहुँच गलु। ठीक से कैमेरा धरी सिक्यूरीटी समस्त अच्छा कैमेरा देने किसी असुविधा नहीं। जल्दी जल्दी पहुँचू 6:30 टाइमिंग थी आम 7:30 हो गला। तो से जल्दी कर जाएंगे आगे सीट थिला किंतु जेहेतु आम लास्ट रे पहुँचलु ऑप्शन किसी ना लास्ट रे बस रवीना टंडन आस बहुत लेट आम पहुँचलु। ये सब कार्यक्रम चलती मुझे भी तुम संगे ये
So now from here, so we are
This is
or code number. Even one is a good show.
অনাই রহ আছে
There was a last. Are they here? Are they in this room? That they in this room? So that okay. That will be very embarrassing for me. 25 years. Okay.
Recognized for excellence in both cardiology and nephrology. The cardiology department delivers exceptional heart care through advanced technology, expert specialists, and innovative treatments, anemia and fluid management, dialysis, kidney transplant evaluations, and post-transplant care. Together, these departments provide outstanding medical services and ensure the best.
You have no such gifts. She is a committed humanitarian. She's an advocate for women's empowerment and organ donation. She's the founder of Rupna Foundation, which provided oxygen, food, and aid during girls and supporting martyrs' families. Ladies and gentlemen, her efforts help uplift lives far beyond just what we see on the silver screen in entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a woman of substance here with us this evening. I would request everyone to please put their hands together and extend a very warm welcome to Diana Thomas on stage. I think we need a slightly louder applause than that. Yes. Make it a little louder than that. Is that loud enough? No, not loud enough. So what we do need to do is get this to be a little louder, a little more energetic. Are we ready? Are we there, ladies and gentlemen?
সিটটা মিলবে
So what do you do? You are the one reading the song. How do you expect people to clap? If you can clap the way you expect people to clap, it's going to get over. That's the way I want you to extend your welcome. Yeah, मेरे को लग रहा है I'm failing in this job right now.
YouTube blogger
I am failing in this job. Not that good. Let me try and work out with that.
ଏଥର ଉଡ଼ିବ ଆଜି ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ବ୍ଲଗର ବସିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜି ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରେ ଆଜି ଛଡ଼ା ହବ ଡୁଣ୍ଡୁ ବାପା ଗୁନୁ ତାତ୍ୟା କର ପୁଅ ବେବି ଦେଇକି
Right, ladies and gentlemen. तो इसमें लगेगा एफर्ट, है ना? और एफर्ट ये है कि right, ladies and gentlemen, now we need your applause. As I said before, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the woman of substance, a special celebrity guest for this presentation function. None other than Samira Khan. We talk about the fact that how her cinematic exploits have won the National Film Award and of course a prestigious publicity as well. We talk about her humanitarian efforts during these COVID-19 pandemic. Let me turn down the music. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing this occasion and being here with us this evening.
It's always my pleasure to come to the land of my Lord Jagannath Puri. I'm only sad that you chose this date because the mandir is shut for darshan. I was looking forward to the darshan, but I'm happy for one reason, that I'm here amongst all of you. So जब वो दर्शन के लिए बुलाएंगे तब वापस आ जाएंगे, लेकिन आज तो आप लोग से मिलने का मौका मिला।
Just welcome back again for another darshan.
Yes, I definitely do. I think the girl child and women empowerment has been number one on my list. But through my foundation and through various other NGOs, also kind of get into a lot of things that might bring a better change to our society that we live in. I always believe that society, this is my stage, this is my home. So when you reach that point, you say, now it's time, they have given me so much, it's time that I give back what I know. And that is something that sits with me, the idea to give back onto society what they've given you.
You know, I have to share this with you. Just a few moments.
पॉइंट रखना बहुत ही मुश्किल काम होता है, वो भी लाइव। हम तो थिएटर में करते हैं, हमको रीटेक का चांस मिल जाता है, इनको बेचारों को तो रीटेक का भी चांस नहीं मिलता है। So I think your job is harder than mine, but I think you're doing great.
Thank you very much. Much appreciated.
Cutting-edge technology, compassionate expertise, and multidisciplinaries. This recognition reflects their unwavering commitment to growth and excellence across globe.
ମାମା ନଟଜମେଣ୍ଟଟା ତ ରଖୁଛୁ।
କାଟିକନ
Congratulations to the team from Sparsh Hospitals. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our next felicitation. This is going to be number, and this felicitation goes to Well-being Jani Kumar Pandya. Step up, please.
Well-being Clinic in Tulsipur, Qatar, held by Dr. Jayant Kumar. Your expertise with lifestyle guidance, cutting-edge technology, and compassionate care. The clinic empowers patients to manage chronic conditions. It's about transforming lives, restoring happiness, and fostering long-term well-being through holistic.
ଫଙ୍କସନ୍ ସରିଗଲା ପରେ
ତମେ ଯାଅ
ଦେଶର ମୋର ଆମେ ଟିକେ ଏଠି ଫଟୋ ଉଠାଇଦେଲୁ, କାରଣ ଯୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଇଥାଏ ଫଟୋଟା ତ ଆଗେ। ତ ଫଟୋ ଉଠାଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ରବିନା ଟଣ୍ଡନ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ବି ଟିକେ ଯାଇକି ଆମେ ଫଟୋ ଉଠାଇଦେଲୁ। ତାପରେ ଏଠି ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫି ନେଲୁ। ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫି ନେଲା ପରେ ଆମର
ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆଟା ନା ଏମିତି ନୂଆଟା
ତ ରାତି 12ଟା ହେଇଗଲାଣି।